This is the first European Pricing Conference I've attended. I'm very impressed by the quality of the people speaking in the conference as well as the attendees. I already see a lot of opportunities of learning as well as of meeting people from different industries to create a solid pricing network. Some of the challenges that we see at the moment in our industry are price erosion. We see a lot of reactive pricing based on the competition. And also we see more emphasis on cost-based pricing, and it's a mindset that needs to change. From our industry, we have noticed already a remarkable shift in terms of moving from a costing approach to pricing approach. So people are replacing sometimes in our industries, we see that people confuse between price and costs. So now they know, okay, what is price, what is cost? And more importantly, they understand the importance of pricing as a very critical lever. I think the focus should be a lot more on customized pricing. It shouldn't be reactive. It should be more about what the customer value proposition is for the product that we are selling, and also being more innovative in bundle price offerings. So we know, okay, this is something that is more valuable to customer A than customer B. So it needs to be customized and priced accordingly. We see pricing being a more pivotal function in the future. Obviously, a function which encourages a lot of cross-functional inputs, but ultimately maintains the single point of responsibility and decision on pricing decisions. And more importantly, we're seeing that pricing is not just going to be a data center or the gatekeeper of sales, but eventually it is becoming more and more a significant part of our corporate and business strategy.